Alright everyone, I'm here with another layout. I'm actually recording this after I recorded the Kittens Love the Fish channel. I had to go shut off my sprinklers and then start. So I did 5 and then I was going to do 4, but then it lost pressure, so I had to stop, wait for the pump to build up its pressure. Then I had to start it, and it starts off really good pressure, and then it slightly died down. So I thought, okay, so I let it run to see what it was going to hit, and I could have been happy with it, but I wanted to see what would happen if I waited 15 minutes between zones. See if it still loses pressure, because I'm trying to figure out if it is my lines. Maybe it's my valves, because the valves don't look new, they look old. So, and I'm not going to change those, because I am not going to even go there. Sorry. So anyway, my background is Basil cardstock. The red with pink polka dots is Simple Stories Hello Today. And then let me see. Oh, okay. Yellow Hearts border is Hip Kit Club's Dream Bag from the January kit. I never used that up, and I'm going to use a scallop border. And I'm going to use a pattern that has, it's like bubbles or circles, however you want to call it, however you want to call the pattern. I called it colorful circles in my description. So I was going to try to use that little tiny piece, but there's the kind of like, looks like bubbles kind of, and then there's hearts on there as well. I just called it circles. And I think my tape was messing up, and eventually it breaks, and then I had to fight with it to get it to cooperate. Well, I didn't have to fight with it. I fixed it, and then I see over there, he's obsessed with glue. I don't know why. He's got this glue fetish. He's trying to eat the tape. I mean, I don't care if he plays with it, but he'll eat it. Because I used to give him when I finished the roll, I would just, see here, it was being a pain. I would finish the roll and give him the empty paper roll and let him play with it. He'd wrap himself all up in it and stuff. But then I was watching him, and he would start eating the end and just let it, and as he's eating it, just let it go down his throat. And I'm like, oh, no, we're not going there. So I took it away. And that yellow chevron pattern is from Hip Kit Club's Dream Big January kit. Oh, I gotta go clean everything out from the sinks. I gotta do that. Before they get here. Alright, and then this is, I'll have to admit, I love the Smurfs. I watch them all the time. I've watched episodes over and over and over and over again. I never get sick of them. So usually, my mornings, when it's a non-work day, my mornings I watch the Smurfs while I'm in my scrapbook room. Anyway, so, and I only watch them in the morning. I don't put them on in the afternoon or the evening. It's just in the morning while I'm drinking my coffee. Anyway, so this was at the rental, and I was watching them, of course, as you see, and Reese went over in front of the TV and was checking it out. So those tags and the other die cuts are all Hip Kit Club's Heartfelt from the February kit. And this was a lot of Valentine's-y type die cuts, so I had a hard time because I don't have any Valentine's pictures or anything. Let's see how much time I got left. Alright, 6 minutes. Because if the pressure would stay up, then my sprinklers hits all the way up to the door of my screen, which would be perfect. And then it'll get my, because I planted wildflower seeds in my black flower bed, so I can't wait to take pictures and scrap those so you can see it. Because my front yard, the before and after, I want to scrapbook those too. And I'll probably use this next kit when I'm February, March. I use March, April to do that. Anyway, so just laying my die cuts. And then I'm going to use the chipboard stickers. Let me grab that way out so I can kind of. Let's see. So, oh yeah, it was coming, so I had to stop and come back, but no. Okay, so every day is a chipboard sticker. Everything else is a die cut. The florals are Pink Fresh Studio, some days die cuts. And then the chipboard stickers, every day, they're 24/7. Alright, so I'm not sure. I had to stop because I realized that the next video, because I have to stop and start periodically, so I left, and then when I came back I realized, oh, I'm still recording, so luckily I stopped so I could delete the whole thing. But anyway, so the title of this is A Good Time is, I don't know what I do with my papers. Oh, that's not. Oh. Decor. Oh, how weird is that? Alright, now I'm going crazy. Alright, sorry. So, it's Pink Fresh Studio some days, and then Smurfy is Pink Fresh Studio Holiday Wishes. But the Holiday Wishes is from the December 2020 kit. And then that is all I do. No, I don't. I add some bows that were left over from a very past kit. I don't even know what year, but because I don't keep the packaging, I just put it in the drawer with the rest. Because I have all of the leftover embellishments. I have them sorted by stickers, then die cuts, and then like specialties like clear stickers or whatever. Anyway, so that completes my layout. And so, oh, and the bows, see there in the picture, those were Amy Tangerine. That's what was in. Oh, and then the flowers, I think I told you, they are Pink Fresh Studio die cuts. Anyway, so when I'm more done, I'll be back with those. Bye.